what's up? Anyways, oh, that's weird. That's one. Inspect. Two. Boom. No more ads. I like doing that before I start videos, but forgot to. Anyway, yeah, it's what you think. This is Amang, and yeah, it's not a knockoff original idea. Actually, this idea was stolen from me. Someone stole it. Someone saw it and they're like, oh, look at this game, let's just steal it. Yeah, they stole it from me. We're little robbers. They just stole my game idea. And, yeah. Anyways, let's get playing it. It plays a bunch of annoying music, but you can't hear it because I don't know. Unless you can, I'm not sure. Anyways, there's a bunch of AI down there because I have no friends to play with me. Essentially, you get this kill tool, and if you go over someone, well, of course, the reason I'm making this is to tell you if you want me to make a video on how to make this, which I'm probably just gonna do it anyways. But yeah, you go over, kill people. Just gonna boop. And as you can see, there's so many tasks you can do. A little buggy, but of course, if I make a series on this, I'm gonna obviously make sure it's not buggy at all. And believe it or not, the hardest part about this was the map design. Oh no, actually the hardest part was the tasks, but the map design was the second hardest. And as you see, the password is it's actually who's it backwards. Yeah. Oh, someone joined me. Oops. Essentially, that's it. So yeah, if you want, well, I'm actually probably gonna make it, but by the time this is out, I'll probably already be making it, just cause why not? I'll make the first part, and if no one likes it, if I get one or if I get 7 views again, instead of a bunch my building system, yeah, I probably won't make any more, but if y'all like it, then just say so and I'll complete it, because I feel like this would be something interesting, because, I mean, there's probably videos about it already,